Good day, everyone. My name is Ernest James Valenzuela, and I am here to share my speech about myself. When I was 8 years old, I learned dancing because my sister is dancer before the pandemic. Little did I know that this passion would shape my future. Today, I want to share my journey, the challenges I faced, and the lesson I've learned along the way. I'll talk about my early experiences, my educational path, and the pivotal moments that have defined who I am today. So let's start at the beginning. I am grade 12 student now, and my goal is to graduate college with my degree. I want to graduate college because I want to help my family to bring back their sacrifices when I was child up to being a student. Although I came from a broken family, my sister and my mother helping each other to give my needs and wants for my everyday lives. After I graduate college, I will look for a good job because I want them to be able to go abroad because that's my mother want. In conclusion, I would like to pursue my education because education is the most powerful weapon that you can use until you are old. Thank you.